Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to our lecturer, Puan Rohana. My name is Ahmad Rashid bin Abdul Razak with my friend
Muhammad Hazim bin Zulkifli.
We will explain about work, energy, and power, also with application. So, for first, I will explain to you what is work. Work, if an object or system such as our body exert a force on a object, and that force cause the object position to change. You are doing work on the object.
Okay, the next one is energy. Define of energy. Energy is potential or the ability to do work. We do work by using energy, so both work and energy are measured in joules. There is two types of energy. The first one is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion. An object which has motion, whether it be vertical or horizontal motion, has kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is a scalar quantity. Kinetic energy is it does not have a direction, unlike velocity. Kinetic energy is a scalar quantity that it does not have a direction, unlike velocity. Acceleration. It does not have a direction, unlike velocity, that is force. The second one is potential energy. Potential energy is an object can store energy as the result of its position. The last one is define of power. Power is the rate at which work is done or rate at which energy is transformed. As example, a horse is pulling a cart with a force of 150 Newton by 10 meter is 20 seconds. Okay, the next one is daily life application of energy, work, and power. The first one is windmills. Windmills are the structures that convert wind energy into electrical energy, and this energy is then supplied to our homes. But from where does this energy in the wind come from and move the large blade of a windmill? Windmill run on the principle of mechanical energy and work. Moving air processes some amount of energy in the form of kinetic energy due to motion. This energy gives the air the ability to do work on the blades of the fan. The moving air applies force and the blades and enable the work to be done, hence resulting in their rotation. Therefore, the mechanical energy gives wind the ability to do work on the blades of the fan.
Okay, so number two is hydropower plant. In hydropower plant, electricity is generated with the help of running water. The hydropower plant display an excellent example of the use of mechanical energy to do work. In hydropower plant, we often get to see the view of water running down the slope at an enormous speed. The running water is thrown from a great height just to gain a good amount of energy that is present in the form of gravitational potential energy due to height, and kinetic energy due to motion, the water falling down the slope, then hit the blade on the turbine, which are installed at the bottom of the waterfall. The mechanical energy of the water enables it to do work on the blade, resulting in their rotation. Once the blade moves, the turbine converts the mechanical energy of the water into electrical energy. Hence, mechanical energy gives water the ability to do work on the blade of the turbine. And the last one, is an interesting target for sport illustrate another good example of mechanical energy and the work done by the object positioning it. The bowling ball consists of some amount of energy in the form of kinetic energy as soon as it starts rolling toward the target. Due to this energy, the ball has the ability to do work on the pins. When the ball hits those target pins, balls applies force in the form of mechanical energy, which is in the form of mechanical energy and displace them, hence causing work to be done. Therefore, here also we can say that mechanical energy gave the bowling ball that ability to do work on the pins that cause their displacement or falling down. So that's all from us. Thank you for you to pay attention listening to our presentation. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.